The Eolzzi 4-season extra-large SUV tent is designed for versatility, easily attaching to any SUV, Jeep, or truck, or serving as a standalone dome tent for various outdoor activities. With a spacious interior measuring 13 feet by 10 feet, this tent comfortably accommodates up to 9 people, making it ideal for family camping trips. Constructed with PU 3000mm waterproof fabric and reinforced seams, the tent is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring a dry and comfortable camping experience. The tent's design includes an attached, screened porch and awning, providing additional space for storage and relaxation while keeping the main area organized. A complete camping kit is included, featuring essential components such as poles, suction cups, and steel stakes, all conveniently stored in a transportable bag. Eolzzi offers a lifetime warranty with their tents, ensuring customer satisfaction and peace of mind with a responsive after-sales service.